How to set privacy on WhatsApp. Last seen, profile photo, info and status. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings, by tapping the three dots in the top right on Android, or the Settings icon in the bottom right on iPhone. Now select the Privacy item. At this point you will see several options: Last seen and online, profile photo, info, status. Let's start with Last seen and online. Here you can decide who can see when you last opened WhatsApp, and if you are online at that moment. You can choose between Everyone, My contacts except, or Nobody. If you select Nobody, no one will be able to see your last seen, but you also will not see that of others. Then there is the profile photo. Maybe you want to show it only to your contacts or to no one. Here too you can choose the same visibility options. The same thing goes for the info. It is the text under your name, such as available or at work. This section is also customizable. Finally, status. When you post a story on WhatsApp, you can decide who can see it. You can show it to all your contacts, exclude someone, or share it with only a few. All these settings help you use WhatsApp in a more private and controlled way, deciding precisely who can see what. Once you have made the changes, simply exit the settings. They will be saved automatically.